Hello students, how are you all? Welcome back to our online classes from LPM Public School situated at Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So my dear students, I am here again with an explanation of new chapter number 17, Rules for Road Safety from your textbook. So my dear students, our lives are very important. Hence, to protect them, we need to follow rules of safety, both at home and outside. Now, let us keep some important points in our mind while walking or driving on the road. So, students, while walking on the road, we must always use the footpath and you have to always walk on left side. While crossing the road, always make sure to cross at zebra crossing. Now, students, do you know why it is called zebra crossing? Let me tell you. Look at this picture. This is a zebra crossing. So students, it is similar to the marking on the zebra skin. So that is why it is known as zebra crossing. Now let us learn more rules while driving or walking on the road. Let's remember. Rules that help you to be safe on the road are called road safety rules. Last year, you learned the following safety rules. So, students, rules that help you be safe on the road are called road safety rules. And in your previous classes, you learned the following safety rules. Now, students, you have to use words from the help box to fill in the blanks. The first one, you should always use the zebra crossing for crossing a road. The next one, you should cross the road with an adult. So students, you have to cross the road with the help of adult. Before crossing, you should wait for traffic to stop. You should use the footpath for walking. You should not play on the road. So students, these safety rules you had already learned in your previous classes. Now let's learn more about it. This year, let us learn more safety rules. We will learn about traffic lights and what they mean. We will also learn about how to be safe on a bus. Now, students, this year we are going to know about traffic lights and what they mean. And in this chapter, you also going to know how to be safe on a bus. So let's begin the first topic, traffic lights. So students, before crossing a road, you should look at the traffic lights. Traffic lights tell us when it is safe to cross a road. There are 3 traffic lights. So students, look at the picture here. This is a picture of traffic light, and before crossing a road you should look at this traffic lights, and traffic lights tell us when it is safe to cross a road. So there are 3 colors or 3 traffic lights. Let's discuss about them. When the light turns green, traffic can move. People cannot cross the road now, they should wait. So students, when the traffic light turns into green, people can can't move. Traffic can move. People should wait. When the light turns yellow, traffic should slow down and get ready to stop. However, people should still wait to cross the road. So students, when the light turns yellow, traffic should slow down and get ready to stop. And the people should still wait to cross the road. When the light turns red, traffic should stop. People can now cross the road safely. So students, when the light of traffic turns into red, then traffic should stop and people can now cross the road safely. Now students, our next topic on the bus. So students, while traveling by bus, we should all follow some safety rules so that nobody gets hurt. So students, in your school, also you should follow some safety rules so that nobody gets hurt. While getting on or off the school bus, always wait for your turn. Do not push others, they could fall and get hurt. So students, when you are getting on or off the bus, of the school bus or any bus, you have to always wait for your turn and do not push others, because while doing this you could fall and get hurt. Now students, next rule that you have to follow or that you should follow while traveling in a bus is, do not lean out of a moving bus, do not put your hands out of the window. Other vehicles could hit you and you could get hurt. So students, while traveling in a bus, do not lean out of a moving bus and don't put your hands out of the window, because other vehicles could hit you and you could get hurt. Remain seated till the bus stops completely. You could fall down and get hurt if the bus stops suddenly. So students, before traveling on a bus, you have to follow these rules, like you have to remain seated till the bus stops completely. If you do this, you could fall down and get hurt if the bus stops suddenly. So students, these are the rules that you should follow. So I hope you understood about the rules for road safety. So students, the right values from this chapter is always wait for your turn. It is good manner to do so. It is also safe for everybody. So students, this was the explanation of your chapter number 17, rules for road safety. I hope you understood this chapter very well by the help of this video. Now students, you have to read this chapter and underline the hard words of this chapter, and don't forget to do all the homework and assignment that is given during your live classes. So students, the exercises of this chapter you will soon get in our next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy and stay at your home. Thank you students. Bye and take care.